evil English teacher. There's an evil English teacher. He's a very bad teacher. He comes to his class. The students are sitting at their desk waiting for him. The teacher said to his class, every day we will study English grammar. If you make mistake, I will hit you a stick. Then the teacher opened his textbook. He said, today we will learn the past perfect progressive verb tense as well as the future conditional. The teacher pointed a gun and said, what's the past perfect progressive? The girl is very nervous and says, I don't know. As soon as she is finished speaking, the teacher jumps across the room with laser stick and hit her on the head. The girl cries. The other student very scared. The teacher pointed a boy. The teacher pointed a boy and said, what's the future conditional? The boy said nothing. The teacher said, go ahead, answer now. The boys said, but, we have learned it yet. The teacher said, in other words, you don't know it. He jumped across the room and hit the boy hard on the head. The boy cried. All the students scared and miserable. They hate the evil teacher, but they are lucky. One student has a cell phone. They secretly dial the number of her friend AJ. AJ answer phone. Hello? The student whisper, Discovery, help us AJ, please help us. An evil English teacher is beating us. AJ said, don't worry, I'll be right there. AJ jumps on his motorcycle and speeds to the school. He runs through front door, down the hall, and bursts into class. He talked into class. He said to the evil teacher, stop hitting this student, you bastard. Then he ran across the room. He picked up a desk and hit the evil teacher with it. The teacher fell on the floor. He is beaten. AJ looked at Carrie and said, what do you want me to do with it? Carrie said, it's up to you, you decide. AJ threw the evil teacher out the window and said, no more evil grammar study, you are free. The student cheered, yeah! Everyone is very happy. Thank you for watching.